Hi, I'm Terry, and welcome to Cat Scratch Kitchen. Do you love chicken salad sandwiches, but don't love going to the effort and time of cooking a chicken and then picking off all the meat? Then in this video, I'll show you how to make a version reminiscent of Chick-Fil-A chicken salad sandwich in the time it takes to open a can and blend it up. It's creamy, savory, and a little sweet, and perfect for piling up on some toasted wheat bread or just grabbing a fork and digging in. So let's get started. Using canned chicken, you won't believe how fast this recipe comes together. I have 2 cups of canned chicken. For me, that's about 3 small cans that I've drained. We're just going to throw them in the food processor. I have some spices. I have a half teaspoon of salt, 1/4 teaspoon of pepper, and 2 teaspoons of celery flakes. I have 1/3 cup of sweet pickle relish. If you don't want quite as much relish, you can use a 1/4 cup. 2/3 cup of mayonnaise. 2 boiled eggs that I've just roughly chopped. And just a pinch of garlic powder. And we only need to pulse it maybe 2 or 3 times just until it's the consistency you want. Give it a check. That looks perfect. And see, that was just 4 little pulses. Now you can either dig in with a fork or let's make a sandwich. Okay, we're going to use some nice thick toasted wheat bread so that it's more reminiscent of Chick-fil-A. Just pile on our chicken salad. Add some fresh lettuce. And you've got enough for a crowd, or put it in the fridge and you can have it for several days. I hope you enjoy it. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it, and subscribe to my channel for more delicious and easy recipes. Also, leave me a comment below and let me know what you think of this chicken salad, or if you have any recipes you'd like to see on Cat Scratch Kitchen in the future. As always, the recipe is available just below the like button, as well as a link so you can print it out. Until next week, have fun in the kitchen.